You are watching Shayna-Renee.
What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna-Renee, and I am doing an impromptu video today. I'm about to go to church, and I'm like, you know what? I want to try out my new wig. So I'm going to show y'all what it is, and let's get into it. I got this wig from Alipearl hair. It's been a minute since I went back to them, but we are here. So I got a half a wig in my Kinky natural texture. So we're going to test it out today. I'm so excited. I've been waiting to get a Kinky straight wig. It is, I don't know if it's 22 or 24 inches. I'm not sure, but this is it. I'm gonna take this off in a second because I look crazy under here. Of course, it comes like this. When you cut this off, you'll be straight. Oh, I was wondering why it's so short. So the way they have it is, right here is an extra little part that you can open it up more if you want a longer part, which I do want. It has clips right here, two at the top, one here, and then another clip. Well, the regular type of clips. I mean comb clips, I'm sorry. At the sides and the bottom, which I really like. And of course it has this band. And honestly, right now, the hair feels like extra soft. Thick and soft. It looks very full. I have a little bit of leave out now. My hair is not clean, so it's not going to be super bone straight blow dry. So I'm going to cut. Can't take it back now. I'm going to cut it. And like I said, this only has like a little piece, so I think I want it longer than that, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that looks nuts. So I'm going to cut deeper down the middle. Or am I not supposed to? Because the hair look like it's kind of in the way. I better not be messing this up. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to leave it like this first, and I'm going to see. Let's throw this on. Ooh. Ooh. So this is how it looks, just thick in its natural state, which I'm not mad at. I honestly could leave it like this, but I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit just to see what happens. I'm not gonna flat iron it, just gonna blow dry it, and I'm gonna come back. But so you can see how long it is. I'm really feeling it. Because I feel like when my hair grows out and long, it'll probably end up like this big and thick. So, you know, I wanted to mimic my natural hair. And as you can see, it is blending. Like, this is a rush job, but it's blending very well with my hair so far. And I would have to see when I start sweating what happens with my roots, but yeah, I'll be back. So before I finish blowing it out, I want to show you. This side is blown out and this side is not. And I'm not doing it like piece by piece. I'm literally just brushing the comb through it. So you see, so this got a little flatter and this is still a little puffier, obviously. So blown out, it doesn't get that much flatter. Probably when I come back from church or another time, I'll do it. Where I'm flat ironing the whole thing, but for now, this is that. I'll come back when this side is done. And I'm back. So this is the hair when it's blown out. I don't know if it'll be a difference if it's blown out like bit by bit, but this is how it looks. So I did notice my hair color is a different color from this, but it doesn't look bad. But I might I don't know. I might dye it because my hair is like has like a little brown tint to it. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then in another video or in the same video, I'll straighten it and I'll let y'all know how it is when I come back. But this is it for now. Bye.